Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create cinematic AI videos using my face. Yes, my face. Because Billion is a real person, I'm currently using Runway Gen 3. Although AI isn't fully flexible yet, I'm always eager to explore new tools. One day, just one day, AI will be able to create something more dynamic, or should I say, something equal to Hollywood. It might be a little scary, but if we continue progressing like this, I'm confident that AI will get there soon, and I'll be right here for it, so let's dive in. If you aren't already familiar with Runway, they are pioneers in AI-driven video technology. They offer impressive tools like video-to-video transformation, gaining significant recognition with their image-to-video model, which launched just last year. In this tutorial, we'll break down the entire process of crafting a cinematic video with consistent characters. But first, allow me to showcase a brief example of our AI video technique in action.
Hey Lara, are you here for more clothes? We have a few new designs. You can pick whichever you like.
Okay, let me check.
Hey Billion, turn left outside, and you'll see a store. It's more within your budget.
Thank you, but I want to look around in your store. To begin, we need to generate high-quality images for our video. You can use tools like Leonardo AI, Bing AI, and Runway AI image generators for free. For this demonstration, I'll be utilizing the text-to-image feature in runwayml. Let's get started. Once you're on the homepage of runwayml, you'll see an option for text-to-image generation. Click on it and you'll be directed to the image generator dashboard. Here, you can input your prompt, select the number of outputs, and adjust options such as aspect ratio, resolution, and style. For style, I'll be choosing a cinematic look for our images. Now, I'll type in our prompt. As you can see, I've entered the prompt here, and I'm going to use 16:9 for the aspect ratio. So let's generate the images and check the results. Here are the images that Runway has generated. The more detailed your prompt, the better the results you'll achieve. Next, I'll show you how we perform face swaps on our characters. For this, I use a tool called AI Face Swap. I'm on the AI Face Swap website, which is completely free to use. As I scroll down, you can see the face swap option. On the left side, I'll upload the image I've generated with AI, and on the right side, I'll upload the face image I want to swap. Now, let's click on Start Face Swap. As you can see, the tool has swapped the face seamlessly, and the result is impressive. Now, it's time to learn image animations. Runway offers two key tools for animation. The first is the text or image-to-video tool, and the second is the lip-sync tool. Let's start with image-to-video. So here's the dashboard. You can see the option to upload an image. You can also adjust the clip duration here, with options for 5 or 10 seconds. In most cases, 5 seconds is sufficient. I've uploaded the image, and I'm entering a simple prompt. Now, let's click Generate and review the results. As you can see, Runway has transformed this image into a cinematic animation, and the quality is outstanding. Now, let's try the lip sync tool. On the home page, select the fourth tool. Once you click, you'll be directed to the tool's dashboard. First, we need to upload the image we want to animate with speech. I've uploaded the image, and now I'm selecting the voiceover character by clicking on the mic icon. For this character, I'll choose Katie's voice. You can then enter your dialogue from your script. Once done, click on Generate, and let's wait for the outcome. The video is now generated. Let's play it. Hey, it's Billion. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see, Runway has brought our image to life, making the characters speak realistically. With all the video segments generated according to our scenes, I'll proceed to edit the final video in CapCut to enhance its visual appeal further. First, upload all the videos you've generated into CapCut. Once uploaded, drag them onto the timeline in the correct sequence. Next, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9. In the upper right section, you'll find the scale feature. I'm selecting all the footage and increasing their size to 120%, since the videos we generated don't cover the full width. After resizing, I'll navigate to the text tool located in the upper left. Here, I'll select the second to last feature, named Auto Caption. From this point, simply click Generate, and CapCut will automatically create captions. You'll see text layers appear on the timeline. All text layers are selected by default, so I'll choose the Poppins font from the right panel and set the text size to 10. I'll also click on the large T icon to enable uppercase letters for the fonts. For font color, I'll choose yellow from the preset styles. Next, I'll click on the Animation tab at the top, then select Captions. Here, I'll pick the third animation style for our text. Once everything is set, make sure to review the video twice to catch any potential mistakes CapCut might have made in text generation.
I only believe what I saw. You hit someone, so you should apologize.
I didn't do anything wrong. She is the aggressor here. Why should I apologize?
You promised me that you wouldn't hit people for no reason and get along well with everyone.
I'll only do that as she doesn't mess with me. I have a bad reputation, but you can't put all the dirty water on me.
Jackson, you must make the decision for me. When did I provoke you? You had an affair with Gary and got caught. I didn't slander you.
I'm telling you again, apologize to the secretary.
I won't apologize. I didn't do anything wrong. Now, I don't want to talk with you. Wow, this cinematic AI video looks fantastic. You can further enhance it by adding effects in CapCut. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button to stay connected with us, and don't forget to like and share this video. See you next time.